How's it going, guys? We're out here in the creek today. Got Derek and Matt back there behind me. I've already been out here for a little while, landed a few. Water's super low. We've had to drag a little bit, but we are catching some fish. So hopefully the rest of this trip goes nice and smooth. I think we're gonna be getting out after dark tonight. We're not even quite halfway through. It's just now 5 o'clock, sunset's at 7:20. So we've all got our headlamps and we're ready for it, but it'll probably be a late night. So hopefully you guys follow along and we can get on some fish. I didn't even get a bite on the rooster tail through there. Huh? I said I didn't even get a bite on the rooster tail through there. There's one on a 5.6 ultralight. I don't think he ain't very big. Nah, a little smallie sitting up here by these rocks. It's the same lure from last video. I just brought my ultralight to throw it on this time. It's that super rooster tail in yellow sitting over there in them rocks. Hit the clicker. Oh, had a bite right there. Said one take it under. Missed him. Oh, he came back for it. Oh yeah, he's a decent smallie. Calm down. Oh, you. Get him? Yeah, I got him. He's got my pants now. Got all excited. $13. Take it. It's number 2. Missed him the first time. He came back. Took it the second time. Hopefully that means they're fired up and chasing today. Oh man, what is that? I got a big old smallie. Stay on there. Yeah. Oh yeah. He smacked it. Oh yeah. Thought I lost him for a second. Line went limp. I want to get a picture of him. Let's see. Settle down.
Oh wow, dude.
Yeah, he's pretty. Get him on board here, see what he...
Where he goes, man.
16 and a quarter. What do you get for, what's the upgrade for 12 oaks? Having 12 oaks?
I think it's a quarter inch, maybe.
Copley's Creek bluegill.
Yeah.
I think he was 16 and a quarter.
It's a good fish, dude.
Oh yeah, and beautiful fish, beautiful fight. I think he's ready to go. Yeah, he put him, there he goes. Heck yeah.
What do you say?
Hit the clicker! There's a little one. He come off as I was pulling him out of the water. He rainbowed himself into the boat.
You got him.
Yeah, he landed in the boat. I picked up one of these 1/8 ounce Strike King spinner baits. It's like a mini king or something. I mean, he's not very big, but if I can get a hold of him here. Yeah, I mean, he's probably only 9 inches long. He will not hold still. There he is. Yeah, come up and hit that spinnerbait. Alright. Come right out of those rocks. Little one.
Oh snap! Keep him on the hook. It's time, Derek. Let's go. We got pressure on us.
He's a little spot. Yeah, a little spot on spinnerbait. Nice. Hit that clicker. Oh, there's one. Coming up out of those rocks. 12 Oaks, Copley's Creek bluegill. Come up and hammered it. 6. There's a little one. Baby spot. Downsize to that spinnerbait. Pretty little fish. Heck yeah. Oh, I was lifting that up out of the water. I hope I got that on camera. I was already looking at my next spot. Holy crap. He waited till the very last second. I was literally looking at this pile over here where I was going to cast.
There he is.
Hey, Derek's on one.
That's the back.
Get Matt in here and get him a fish. I had to get out of the hole. Spinnerbait?
No, that Trompo.
Oh. Yeah, I got this little spinnerbait on. He come up, hit it.
Yeah, I see where he hit right there at the boat. Little fella.
There's one. Oh, he let go. I got him coming up out of the water.
There's gotta be somebody in here.
Yeah, there's fish sitting in here somewhere.
Isn't this the one where you pulled the big one out last?
No, that was the first turn up there. There's one right there.
Dang, right in front of us.
He hit a lot bigger than what he is.
Gotta be hit. I like it when they hit bigger than they are.
I like this little 1/8 ounce spinner. It's smaller than them Pond Magic spinners. I don't know, I like it. Going? Oh yeah. Oh! He wasn't bad. I'd say he's 12.
Feisty.
Oh! Oh, he came off.
Ooh, that's all that.
Yeah, he wasn't bad. He was thick. What is it? Hold on.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I didn't grab my net.
Oh my god.
Oh man.
Dude. That might be my PB.
That might be the 18 we were asking for.
definitely the 18 we're looking for. I look like a beekeeper right now. What is going on?
Holy.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that's a freaking beast.
Dude.
Black buzz bait.
Yes, sir. Oh my gosh. All right, boys. Oh, hang on, let me get my camera going here again. Predictions? I think he might be 20.
I'm gonna say 18 3/4.
18 3/4. Here we go.
18 and a half.
Oh, we were way off.
19 and a. I don't think he's gonna go half. I think it's a quarter. 19 and a quarter?
Man.
The question is, does he go 3.37 or higher? Because that's my PB in weight. 3.37. That's all we need, boys, for a new Matt's Fishing Mission PB. Oh, he's just shy. He's gonna be like 3.19. All right, nighttime smallies out here. You can see we got the bug net. Oh my goodness. 19 and a quarter inch, just absolute behemoth. Smacked. And what's the funnest thing we throw at night? A big old buzzbait. Gosh. Let's go. All right, let's get a release on this bad boy. Oh yeah. Let's go. This creek always freaking produces. It has produced all day long. All of us have a fish over 16 inches long. 17.
Yeah.
We all have a fish over 17 inches.
16 and
16 and 3/4. I'm calling it 17. It's close enough. Everyone's gotten a big fish today. And this has just been, it's so incredible. And we still got, what, 2 miles
At least
to go?
a mile and a half
At
anyway.
least a mile and a half. We've got some stretch to do at night.
Yep.
The sun, you can see in the distance, is just pink over the horizon. And it is premium topwater hour. Let's fish some more.
I didn't even hear it, dude. I was back there.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Dude, that's so awesome.
He's like, my camera's not recording.
All right, everybody, we are officially off the water. As you can see, it is dark outside. Got to experience my first at night bass fishing. It was incredible. Even though I didn't land anything just before dark, Matt crushes that 19 and a quarter. It was closer to 19 and a half than it was a 19 and a quarter. But man, it was a beast. But all in all, a great trip. I ended up with a 16 and a quarter and a 17, and then some other ones sprinkled in there. I didn't get it on camera. Derek was back behind us. He ended up catching a 16 and 3/4. I'll see if I can get the footage from him. I may include it in this video. But yeah, for late summer, early fall, and the flow being as low as it is and just no movement, it turned out to be pretty much a great day of fishing. There were some lulls, but the big fish definitely made up for it. Yeah, it was amazing being out on the creek. You know, after dark, it's a different experience. I've never done it before. I've never waited for bass. I've never fished for bass after dark, so that's a first for me. But hopefully you guys enjoyed it. All my catches came on that custom Copley's Creek bluegill Choppo from Chris over at 12 Oaks. Go check his stuff out. It's 12 Oaks custom lures. Just check his selection out. I mean, I don't really know how to put it into words. It's quality stuff and beautiful custom artwork. Can't recommend his stuff enough. Just a great guy all around, and you're getting great baits. But yeah, we're headed back now to load up mine and Derek's kayak. But yeah, we'll catch you on the next one.